Hi, it's Carrie again, and the tutorial that I'm going to do today has some nice styling, arm styling and movement, kind of a good thing to add into any flow. Doesn't take too much space, definitely doesn't have to go too high, which is kind of nice sometimes. So I'm going to start with my hand inside the hoop, and I'll go ahead and just demonstrate this one time, and then I'll come back and break it down. So here we go. So I'm going to go. And I did it multiple times, but you could just do it one time or two times or however many you would like to do, but it's kind of a nice thing to blend in between other moves. So here's what's going to happen. You're going to start with palm up, inside grip, and I'm going to put my weight onto the left foot, and as I do, I'm going to shoot, almost like I'm doing an isopop. I'm going to shoot the hoop out, thumb pointing down, and then as soon as it gets all the way over there, I'm going to follow it. I'll move back here so I'm in the camera. I'm going to follow it with my right foot and step into it. Then I'm going to pull it in, no grip change here actually. Pull it in, keeping the same grip, and then take it out to the side to my right. Now I'm going to change the grip. I'm going to let it roll across the back of my hand, re-grip, and send it back out. After I send it out, my weight's on my left foot, I'm going to follow the hoop, turning my back to you, as I step to the side with the right. So I'm going to show you the feet just for a second on this. So with the feet, as I'm standing here, I'm going to step onto my left foot as I send the arm out and the hoop out. And then I'm going to follow the hoop by stepping with the right foot. Then I'm going to step with the left foot again, bring the hoop through, and then step to the side. So if I'm just talking about my feet for a second, the left foot is a stationary position. I put my weight onto the left foot, turning my foot the way I'm going to move, and then I step to the side with the right. Now I replace my weight to the left foot again, turning it to my new direction, and step to the side. So the foot turns, I step to the side, the foot turns, and I step to the side. And then with the hand, I'm just sending the hand out, follow with the foot, send the hand across, and follow with the foot. So you can see how the left foot stays stationary. Okay, so back with the hoop again. I'm just doing one grip change, and that's when I'm facing you. So I have my hand on the inside. The first time I actually don't even have to do a grip change. Here, I move across to here. Now the second time, I'm going to switch it, again letting it roll across the top of my hand, changing the grip. And then here, no grip change, just bringing the hoop through, and a grip change, sending the hoop across, following it. Taking the hoop through, grip change, and following it. So I'm going to do that with my back towards you. And then I'm going to come back and add in some arm styling. So you're not going to see this first part, but you'll be able to, if you want to stand facing me, you can actually kind of follow along. So I'm going to put my weight onto the left foot, send the hoop across, and follow it with my right foot. Then I'm just going to pull the hoop, push it across again. Again, no hoop or grip change on this part. And then I follow it. Now I'm going to have to let it roll across my hand, send it across, follow it with my right foot. Again, you can see how the left foot stays stationary, no grip change, so you can see this from this side this time. Sending it across, letting it roll across the hand, and sending it across. Okay, so now I'm going to do it facing you one more time so you can see the arm styling. So I'm going to do something a little bit more mechanical with the arm styling in the beginning because it just helps to get the placement, and then I'll come back and show you how to smooth that out some. So when I send it out to the side, I'm going to actually put my hand right below my collarbone right here. So I'm going to put my hand right here, and then just as a place to put it for now, and this is really good if you're not used to using your arms, you're going to get confused, so I can actually put it against my body. And then when I step with my right foot, I'm going to put my arm out to the side. And then as I pull the hoop and retract it back in, you'll see that I retract both hands, and I'm going to put that hand in the same spot as the hoop comes in. And then this time as the hoop goes out, I'm going to put the arm straight up, just as something different. So as I retract the hand in, that's when this is going to roll across the back of the hand. And then when I step onto it, you can see I'm going to send this arm out and this arm out at the same time. Then I retract, send it up. Retract, send it out. Retract, send it up. So now if I do that a little bit smoother, and I think I demonstrated that in the beginning, I'm not going to actually put my hand here. You can put it there for a while as you get used to it, but I'm going to bring it in. You can see at about that same level as it goes out and up. So this is a good thing to practice just in front of the mirror. Out, in, and up. In, out, in, and up. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. Putting it together, I'll do it with my back to you so you can follow along. I'm going to retract in, send the hoop and hand out, retract in, send the hoop and hand up. Change the hand grip as I retract, send the hoop out, retract, and up. And then the very last thing I'm going to have you look at is I'm going to articulate the foot and leg. So I could stand here with my feet flat on the ground, and that would be fine, and in a lot of cases that works really nice. For this time I'm going to add a little extra styling, a little bit more of a dancer look by lifting the heel off the ground. So I'm pointing the foot down, very tip of the toe, knee flexed. So notice as I do it one more time, I retract, send it out. So instead of just having the foot flat, I'm going to have it here, retract, and I can do the same thing here. And change the grip there. All right, so I hope this gives you some ideas of some things that you can add into your own dancing, your hoop dancing that is, and again, adding more of the dance into the hoop.